So Ollie's just been to a fancy dress party, and as you can see here, he's got a lot of face paint on his face. So Ollie's getting ready for bed, and we're just going to take all his face paints off now. We'll just get the Enjo Eyepad and just wet it under the tap. Just lift your chin up there, Ollie, and that's it. And just gentle circles. And the face paints will just lift into the pad. And that's it. It's coming off easily there. And the other side too. Take your black eyebrows off. Get rid of it all at once. Just so quick and easy. There we go, nearly there. That's it, let's have a look. All off, and that's it in the iPad. You want to see?